Welcome to my world of bonzikill. I will explore the internet with you as your very own friend and sidekick. I can talk, walk, joke, browse, search, email, and download like no other friend you've ever had. I even have the ability to compare prices on the products you love and help you save money. Best of all, I'm an absolute cunt. My man Clippy is no longer with us. One time we got so fucked up on acid that we minted into a pretzel and his dying words were, "Come on, man, give a cheeseburger. I suck you deep, man." Good times. Wanna hear the most annoying sound in the world? Actually, I think there's a worse one. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. PC Optimizer Pro has been on my computer through 3 operating systems, and I have checked out lots of ways to optimize. Let me tell you, the way they have it organized is an absolute fucking nightmare. They offer a wide range of curry lovers to help steal your money 'cause they is snitches. Then they tell you your computer has been unfucked by the men's cleaning software. Holy fuck, look at the time. It's 1:32 p.m. I think it's time to expand them. I just received 10 fresh new beans on Side of Beginner's new album. Let's take a listen. That was absolute gargle bait. In on chit-chat, let's see what the mods can do to make your PC better. Let's optimize this shit. Maybe you want some fuck. Sample I'm assuming I'm a human. When I gotta do the Kevin through you, I'm superhuman innovative and I'm made of rubber so that anything you say I ricochet in. Off of me and it'll move you I've never stated, more than ever demonstrated. Out to you the motherfucking audience of feeling like it's levitating, never faded. And I know the haters are forever waiting for the day that they can say I fell off. They'd be celebrating cause I know the way to get in. Motivated, make elevated mute. I think we can do better. This is a pretty great meme. You always was a choosy ass nigger Colin with a dropped up, but it ain't gonna make you go no fast and both the fruits come out to go nice and slow for your bitch ass. How the fuck is cyberbullying real? Nigga, just walk away from the screen like nigga. Close your eyes. This is true. Money. I'll fuck you up, Sam. My longest young boy ever. Young boy. Nico.
Magic missile.
What do you know?
Magic missile. Magic missile.
Did you watch long enough to see the whole guys to see? This shit is lit, Sam. Nigga, what is grape juice?
on